Bennett University hosted Sadhguru for a session of Youth and Truth. This gave an opportunity to students to ask questions which they were never able to ask before.
I was doing my engineering and I dropped, and I'm pursuing music as a full-time profession. And during my journey, and I haven't reached there yet.
Now, when you choose to do something that you love to do, why do you think that everybody should clap their hands? Not necessarily. It's a privilege in your life. You're doing something that you love to do, isn't it?
Students were excited and curious to absorb the wisdom Sadhguru offers.
I enjoyed the session very much, and I had a question about myself, my very personal stuff, and he answered me extremely well. And he also told me like others are living their lifestyle, but I am living my life, so which is a very positive statement for me, and I hope that it's worth for me.
So the main lesson that I have learned from this session is it all starts from within. So what looks outside you depends upon the inside you. So think positive and live a wonderful life.
Students definitely take back a positive outlook towards life after this session.